If you are a mathematics student and wondering whether you can enter data science, the answer is simple. You are already ahead. In 2026, data science is not just about coding, it is about thinking mathematically, and mathematicians already think, in models, patterns, and logic. Today, I will explain how you can transition from mathematics into data science step by step. First, let us understand something important. Data science is applied mathematics powered by technology. At its core, it uses probability, statistics, linear algebra, optimization. These are not new subjects for you. You have already studied them. The difference is application. Step 1. Learn the language of data. That language is Python. Start with basic Python programming. Then move to libraries such as NumPy for numerical computation, Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib for visualization. Do not try to learn everything at once. Focus on writing small programs that solve real problems. Step 2. Understand real-world statistics. In university, you study theory. In data science, you apply it. Learn hypothesis testing, regression models, probability distributions, statistical inference, but practice them using real datasets. Download datasets. Analyze them. Interpret results. This builds practical confidence. Step 3. Learn machine learning fundamentals. Machine learning is simply mathematical modeling using data. Start with linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, clustering methods. Do not jump directly into deep learning. Build your foundation first. As a mathematician, you will understand these models more deeply than most programmers. That becomes your advantage. Step 4. Build projects. Without projects, skills remain invisible. Create small but meaningful projects such as sales prediction model, student performance analysis, fraud detection simulation, market trend analysis. Upload them to GitHub. Document your process. Explain your reasoning. Recruiters value problem-solving clarity. Step 5. Learn data tools used in industry. In 2026, data scientists are expected to know SQL for database queries, Power BI or Tableau for visualization, basic cloud platforms. You do not need to master everything, but you must understand the ecosystem. Now let me tell you a common mistake mathematicians make. They stay too theoretical. They wait until they know everything. Do not wait. Start applying what you already know. Industry rewards practical problem solvers, not perfect students. Let us talk about career growth. Data science demand is increasing yearly. Industries using data include finance, healthcare, e-commerce, artificial intelligence systems. Mathematicians who combine theory with coding become extremely valuable. Your strength is analytical depth. Develop technical tools around it. So here is your transition roadmap. Strengthen Python. Apply statistics practically. Learn machine learning basics. Build projects. Understand industry tools. Within 6 to 12 months of focused effort, a mathematics graduate can confidently enter data science. Remember this: mathematics is not separate from data science. It is the foundation of it. If you already understand equations, proofs, and logical structures, you are not switching careers. You are evolving your mathematics into the real world. If this helped you, share it with a mathematics student who is unsure about their future. Subscribe for more career opportunity stories. The future belongs to those who apply their knowledge strategically. I am Dr. Nasir Ali, and I will see you in the next episode.